दाबोळे विमानतळाचेर टॅक्सी दवरपाचो प्रश्न आतां सदांचोच जाला. पर्यटन टॅक्सीचो विशय आजून सोंपूंक ना. दुसऱ्या वाटेन काळे पिवळे टॅक्सी दवरपाचेर बोवाळ जावपाक लागला. दाबोळे विमानतळाचेर टॅक्सी इतले वाडल्यात की ते पार्किंग करपा खातीर जागो ना. आमदार अलिना साल्ढाणा, उपजिल्लो अधिकारी, काळे पिवळे टॅक्सी असोसिएशनाचो अध्यक्ष आनी पुलीस अधिकाऱ्याची विमानतळ प्राधिकरणाचो प्रतिनिधी बरोबर बसका जाली. टॅक्सी पार्किंगेचो विशय कायमचो सुटावो करपाची मागणी आमदार अलिना साल्ढाणान विमानतळ प्राधिकरणा कडेन केल्या.
There's been a lot of discussion. We've come on site to see what is possible. A lot is being discussed, but many things cannot be 100% as of today. Like for example, where the taxis are to be parked. The area is in a bad shape. Now that area has to be put in order first for the yellow and black taxis to be able to be parked there. So now they have been promised that the needful will be done within a week. And after that, those in charge, the association will come and check the area and see whether it is possible to park the cars and to move the cars in and out of that area. I have also requested the authorities to ensure that the slots that are given to them, 15 in number, up there near at the airport, that those should be permanent. Because I think any one of us, to be able to give our best in whatever we do, we need to have that peace of mind, and peace of mind comes when we are sure of what has been promised to us. It cannot be given 100% guarantee because that parking area will be ready, and then cars from the parking area also will be moving, so they have to see the practicality of the situation. Nevertheless, I still say that it will be possible, and once and for all, give us something that we can be sure of, and once and for all put an end to all these requests and agitations.
हांगा काम चालू आशिल्ल्यान आमच्यो टॅक्सी दुसरे कडेन हालोवपाक सांगले. मात जागो दिला तो नितळ ना आनी थंय आमी गाडयो पार्क करपाक शकना अशें युनायटेड टॅक्सीमॅन युनियनाचो कायदेशीर सल्लागार अकुलियन दोराडोन सांगलें.
The thing is, the purpose was the parking. So we are asked to shift here 2 days back at collector office. Now suddenly today they have said that work is going on. We can't park there. They are asking us to shift further. That plot is not developed. There are roads, everything. They say within 7 days they are compacting it and give us a way this side. On the top, we were parking our vehicles. So they try to rearrange, and we were parking 20 vehicles. So they have reached 15 vehicles. But at the same time, they said the Goa Miles vehicles that was parking, they will not be parked, and they were removed. The slots are also removed. And then we also complained about Taj vehicles which parked here, 10 vehicles. And they said no vehicle will be allowed to stay that route, and they will be removed. That's the present solution. And within 7 days, we'll see whatever the compacting they do. And we'll have to adjust, they will have to adjust to move forward in this situation. Nobody is trying to do anything about it. We even suggested that they are doing this construction, divert the arrival road this side, just like we had on the top earlier, so that the passengers can go straight away in here, and that single road need not be used for arrival and departure.